You built a real store, with real products people want. But before a buyer ever clicks an ad, Google Shopping is already deciding which stores deserve the slot. A thin product feed and a sloppy Performance Max setup hand those slots to competitors. In this video I'll show you the 5 fixes I make to feed and campaign structure so your products win the click and the sale, instead of paying to lose. The first fix is your product titles, because the feed title is what Google matches to a search. Front-load the first 70 characters with the words buyers actually type. A simple format works. Brand, product type, then the key attribute and variant like color or size. A title that reads blue running shoes men's size 10 will outmatch Pro Flex 3000 every time. Rewrite your top 50 sellers first, since they carry the bulk of revenue, and watch impressions climb within a week. The second fix is completing your attributes. Google rewards feeds it can read with confidence. Fill in GTIN, brand, color, size, material, gender, and age group on every item, and aim for 95% completion across the catalog. Add the product highlights and a real description too. Each blank field lowers how often Google shows that item, so a half-filled feed caps your reach no matter how much you spend. This is unglamorous data entry, and it is the single highest return hour you will spend this month. Third, stop running one giant Performance Max campaign. Split your asset groups by product margin and intent, so your high-margin bestsellers are not sharing a budget with low-margin clearance. Give each group strong assets, at least 5 headlines, several long descriptions, and your sharpest product images and video. When everything sits in one bucket, Google spends where it is easiest, not where you profit. Separating by margin lets you fund the products that actually pay you, and starve the ones that do not. Fourth, take control of the traffic you pay for. By default, Performance Max will happily charge you for people already searching your brand name. Traffic you would win for free. Use brand exclusions so your budget chases new buyers instead. Add tight search themes to point the campaign at the queries that convert. Then judge results on new customer share, not only on blended return, because a campaign that just rebuys your existing customers looks profitable while it grows you nothing. Real growth comes from buyers who did not know you yet. Fifth, set targets you can defend. Launch without a strict return target so the system can learn. Then once you have around 30 conversions, set a target return on ad spend that matches your real margins. Change one thing at a time, and give every change a full 14 days before you judge it, because Performance Max needs data to settle. Chasing the dashboard daily resets the learning and burns cash. Patience plus clean structure beats constant tinkering. Every quarter I have tested it. Here is where to start. Rewrite your top 50 titles and fill the empty attributes this week, before you touch a single bid. That alone moves results for stores I work with. If you want me to find exactly where your feed and campaigns lose money, I run a 72-hour audit for $497 and hand you the fix list. If you want it rebuilt properly, I do that in a 14-day sprint that starts at $3,500. Subscribe, because next week I take a real store and fix it start to finish.